What's up? Today I will show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB that you can install Windows 11 on unsupported laptop. Let's get started. First off, you need a USB at least 8 gig on space and Windows 11 ISO file and Rufus. You can download Rufus from rufus.ie and you can download the official Windows ISO from Microsoft. Open Rufus, insert your USB. Your USB will be detected in top here. Make sure that you don't have anything important on it. From here, select the ISO file that you just downloaded from Microsoft. And here choose MBR if you are installing on older PC like from 2012 and older, and choose GPT if you are installing on a modern device and click start. This menu will pop up. In this menu you have to select remove requirement for secure boot and TPM 2.0. Also, if you don't want to use your Microsoft account while installing the Windows, select remove requirement for online Microsoft account and select create local account with username, and here type the username that you will use and choose what's right for you from those other options and click OK. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be erased. Click OK to proceed. The process will take about 30 minutes. When it says ready, you are good to go. Now you can install Windows 11 on unsupported laptop without facing the requirement problem. And that's it all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.